Hey guys, I wanted to show you a little test that you could do to see whether or not your charging system is working. Now you've kind of seen this, we did this earlier in the year, but I kind of wanted to show you again how you can use just a simple voltmeter to test whether or not your charging system is working. Okay, so what we're looking at is the battery and just a voltmeter. And you can kind of see that the voltage is going up slightly. I've already turned the car on once before, and so the voltage drops. Now it's going up a little bit. But the car's not running, so we can see that we only have about 12.5 volts, not fully charged. Okay, so now let's take a look at what happens when we turn the car on. So we're going to come in here. Before we start the car, I want you guys to be able to see what goes on the dashboard. Okay, so we have a lot of lights come on, and one of the lights that we can observe is the battery light. And see if I can point that out. That's right there. Okay, so that's saying that nothing is charging right now. So now I'm going to start the car, and notice that that light goes out. Okay, so I'm going to turn a few things on. I'm going to turn the fan on. I'm going to turn the headlights on. Okay, and I'm going to turn the seat heaters on. And I'm going to turn on, let's see, rear defroster. Okay, so seat heaters, we've got a fan going, we've got headlights. Now let's see what the voltage is. Look at that. Now that's really cool, because what we're observing is the voltage is 14 volts. And that's just perfect, because what we should see is between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Okay? So that means our charging system is working, and it's able to keep up with some of the high load systems such as headlights and fans. Okay, so now let's go turn that off. Turn everybody off. Turn the lights off. Okay, so now the car's stopped. And let's see what the voltage is. Look at that. Okay. Even in that short period of time, it was able to charge the battery up quite a bit. Now, what we're seeing though at 13.4 volts is what's called a surface charge. So if you load the battery up just a little bit, that'll take it off and it'll drop down to about 12.6, which is a fully charged battery. Okay, so that's a good thing. The other thing I kind of wanted you to be aware of, and we've talked about this before, is that little tiny dot there. Okay, and see how that says 818? That's when that battery was actually produced. Okay, and that's kind of important because that has to do with whether or not that battery is still going to be in good shape. Okay, so there's a simple test, kind of check how your charging system is working using just a voltmeter and not having to use a very expensive device. All right, very cool.